Chevy Nova 396 automatic. And the mayor red light.
1966 Chevrolet Chevelle. This 66 Chevelle has an L78 396 cubic inch V8. That means a solid lifter cam, rectangular port heads, an aluminum intake manifold, 4-bolt mains, forged internals, compression ratio 11:1, and it was rated 375 horsepower and 415 pound-feet of torque. Do you like 3 pedals? Well, then you're gonna love this car because it's got a 4-speed manual. 331 gears were standard, 410 was optional, but this one has an even nicer upgrade, 456 rear gears. This Chevelle isn't terribly heavy. With driver, it's 3,634 pounds. The L78 was a late year option for 1966, so there weren't that many. There were only 3,099 total that year. The L78 Chevelle was a pretty good deal in 1966. The base V8 Super Sport was $2,776. 4-speed manual was $105. Posi rear was $36, and the L78 option was only $236. It gives you a grand total of $3,153, and adjusting for inflation, that's only $28,444 today. How about we check out that opponent? 1969 Chevrolet Nova Super Sport 396. And just like the Chevelle, the 396 in this car is an L78. So like I previously mentioned, that means a solid lifter cam, forged crank and rods, horsepower 375, torque 415, but you already know that. The difference here is that this one has a Turbo 400 3-speed automatic transmission, and that transmission was specific for the L78 equipped cars. It had a higher stall torque converter, a heavy-duty flex plate, stronger clutch packs, and the valve body was adjusted to shift at 6,400 RPM from the factory. 410 gears would have been standard, but this one has a tasty little upgrade. 430 gears. This car only has a very slight weight advantage over the Chevelle. It weighs 3,620 pounds, and if you can do basic math, that's only a 14-pound advantage over the Chevelle. The L78 Nova was also a good deal in 1969. The base V8 Nova started out at $2,405. The Super Sport package, which included a 350 V8, was another $280. Automatic transmission, well, that's $200. Posi rear is $42, and the L78 V8 was $316. It gives you a grand total of $3,243, and adjusting for inflation, that's only $25,828 today. Hot Rod Magazine tested one of these monsters back in July of 1969. With an automatic transmission and a 355 rear, it ran the quarter mile in 13.87 seconds at 105 miles per hour. Let's see what these cars will do today.
Up against Jeff Ansel out of Indiana, 69 Chevy Nova 396 automatic. And the mayor red light. The wind goes to the right lane, 1230. Goes to the right lane, 12.
In the first round, the Chevelle gets a red light, giving the automatic win to the Nova, who ran 12.35 seconds at 112.85 miles per hour. The Chevelle still had a fairly impressive showing, running 12.51 seconds at 115.51 miles per hour. Let's check out round 2.
Jeff Ansel, 69 Chevy Nova, 96 Turbo 400 up. However, Charlie is coasting through, so hopefully nothing broke. So hopefully nothing broke.
In the second round, the Nova ran 12.42 seconds at 111.92 miles per hour, but they did get a red light, and that gives the automatic win to the Chevelle, who looked like they may have missed a shift early on, so they took their sweet time crossing that line because they knew they already won. And with this best of 3 tied 1-all, let's check out that final round. In the final round, it's the Chevelle that takes home the win, running 12.65 seconds at 114.66 miles per hour. In the other lane, the Nova ran 12.73 seconds at 111.33 miles per hour. A huge thanks to the owners for bringing out these cars. It was absolutely awesome seeing them on the drag strip. I'll catch you guys at the next one.